All right, traders, welcome to today's market breakdown. It's Friday, January 31, and we're testing something new today. So if you find this valuable, please drop a comment below and hit that like button, because if there is enough interest, we'll make this into a daily series. Here's what you can expect. We'll break down key liquidity zones, order flow shifts, and today's best trade setup so that you can stay ahead of the market. Stick around to the end for my game plan on how to trade today's action, and let's get started right away. So these blue candles represent the weekly candles. These are weekly volume profiles, with our normal candles being our daily candles. On the weekly, we can see that we are one time framing down with a high of 6128.50. So the next target for bulls will be this next high right here, 6163.75. But on the daily chart, we are one time framing up with our low at 60.99, which is also the weekly POC. Bears will want to see that level break to push for more downside action. At this moment, ES is working its way up into last week's value area and the POC, which is also around the same area as the POC from the third week of December. Remember that price sold off here, came back, retested once, mitigated back, retested twice, and is now going for a third initiation, mitigation, and we are expecting a big reaction inside of this zone. Now on the structural 4-hour chart, we see price making a new higher low and a new higher high, which could signal a continuation up. But we do have some big sellers at the top of these ranges, so let's see how they respond. We're moving to our 1-hour chart, which is our level chart. We immediately see that this gap from January 27, 4 days ago, is now filled, which shifts my bias even more to the bullish side. These yellow lines here represent the value area of this range right here. So if we can keep our business here, I think we even can go up and look for new value or even higher, wipe out these three highs right above this zone. Onto the 2-hour delta chart now, which shows us the same zone where we are trying to enter. And it shows big selling around 6150 and 6127-ish, which is expected as buyers try to enter this value area again. We're going to see some buyers absorbed at 6151 and more exhaustion around 6160. These are definitely levels to keep an eye on for reclaims or failed breakouts. Now, zooming completely out, we have our 10-day profile for a bird's eye view. We indeed get the confirmation of our previous value between 6114 and 6168. I'm breaking the POC at 6132. I expect some resistance at the low volume node here between 6145 and 6134 right here. We are going to watch 6168, which is the value area high of last month or something like that. So if we can reclaim 6181, we can break our all-time high right here. Now, last but not least, we jump back into a lower time frame, TPO chart of the New York sessions, where we see price trading higher today. The price is here. Here is our yesterday New York session, keeping above this 6122 for the open, will have me looking for higher prices, opening below and looking for 6115. I do believe we reject this value area and might shift back down. So, in a nutshell, for bullish continuations, we open above 6122, might fall down a bit with a failed breakdown into this high volume node 6115. Stops will go at my low volume node right here, which is 6111 to 6105. And I will target the POC right here at a 6150 and 6164, this high further upwards. Failure to hold this range at the open will have me looking for targets around this 6100 and even 680, 6080 with a stop at this range 6125. So if we break this, I think we can get this low volume node recent, and let's go back down into these levels right here. I do hope this really fast video had some value for you guys. You found some meaning in this. If you did, please comment it. Good luck. Hit that notification bell if you want, because I will be doing these updates more frequently, and I will see you soon.